Jamaican Shore Fishing. Welcome to the channel, guys. Big up yourself. Thank you guys for joining us. Excuse that little noise in the background. That's about to go off in a second, but welcome to Montego Bay, guys. Big up yourself, and I thank all you guys for supporting the channel continuously, and blessings to each and every one of you, and stay safe if you're in Jamaica, guys. We're right here in Montego Bay, Jamaica, and pre-prep before the storm. That's pretty much what we're doing, and running around and doing some things. So bless up yourself to each and every one of you guys, and just know that we're running around. Rasta's here with me, Cuz here, and the whole team is here together, guys, and we just running, going to the hardware, grab some little last minor things that we have to grab, and stock up and board up and do what we need to do to prevent us from getting hurt. So as you see, that noisy went off, and we're here in Montego Bay, Jamaica, and this is what the skies look like, guys. This is what the whole entire place look like right now. Nobody's really running around because everybody pretty much lives outside of the town. Nobody real lives inside of the town. So this is pre Melissa. So we're gonna run around, do a few things. I gotta run to the hardware, grab a few things down there, head back to another ends, and I'll keep you guys posted as we move along of what's happening here. The traffic is probably going to turn up a bit because Saturdays in Jamaica is normally a shopping day for everyone from work. Everybody that works during the week normally picks up their groceries, their vegetables, and all kinds of stuff that they normally do during the week. So thank each and every one of you guys for supporting the channel continuously, and please make sure you drop a thumbs up, and please share it out with a friend. Tell a friend to tell a friend, and bless up yourselves. Alright, guys, so this is one of the main corridors in Montego Bay where it takes you from one end of the town to the other end, and this is Howard Cook. Alright, guys, so we're heading down Howard Cook and heading towards Fairview side because that's the hardware that we're going to aim to. So thank all you guys for smashing that thumbs up, and stay tuned. We're in the Freeport area now. This is a peninsula. Water would be coming from here. This is where all the boats parked for safe haven in Mobe, behind these trees by the mangroves, because majority back here is a safe haven. So everybody bring their boats, their yachts, sailboats, whatever boat, or they take them out of the water, and whatever the case might be. But most people dock them back here behind the mangroves on the left that we're passing. So this is where the cruise ships come. This is where the cargo ships dock down here at the dock and stuff like that. So this is what the weather looks like, guys. So stay tuned. Jamaican Shore Fishing. We are out here. Bless up yourself. Enough love, respect. We'll take a ride. Rasta, we wasn't planning on this ride, right? Pre-Melissa, pre-Hurricane Melissa. Me and Rasta is rolling. Me and Rasta and Cuz is rolling, people. This is pre-Melissa, Saturday, October 25th, 3:02 p.m. My girl, oh, you think so? That color look nice for you, I like it. What you say, boy? Like a what?
Bad bull.
Like a bad bull with the nose ring. Look like one of them bad bull in a pin. Well, I'm here, dogs. Yeah, we're terrible enough people up here, we don't mind. We're just rolling the streets of Mobe, guys. Pre-Melissa, rain. No rain. We ain't got no rain yet. We got some before, but like, yo. I'm gonna drive through the town real quick and go do so and show you what's going on, guys. Me and Rasta, Cuz, rolling through Jamaican Shore Fishing, rolling through Mobe town like this, guys. We ain't playing. You wanna go to the middle town? Let's go to the middle town. Let's go to the dead heartbeat of Mobe. That's what's up, guys. We're gonna go to downtown. We're not around with the thing. We're terrible.
Mrs. Pink.
Look at the Mrs. Pink. Hi, Mrs. Pink. We're in this rainstorm. Mrs. Pink, now play if you get dressed. Taxi man, go on the road, man. I want to make your teeth shine, so. Jaja. Look at this, guys.
Up your fuck.
Rasta. No more with it on YouTube, no. Can't go somebody. Oi, oi, oi. People may have to tell Rasta sometime. So I'm not paying no mind. That's how we chat. Look when they see that boy. Yeah, guys. Yeah, we're rolling through the town, guys. Yes, Miss Pink. Boy. So this is Sham Sharp Square, guys. Mobe, pre-Melissa. Rolling through Mobe. We ain't playing around. We stupid. See rain start as a rasta. Look on the rain. The rain. The fountain of flow in Sham Sharp Square, Montego Bay. We're cutting through. Jaja. Sure. The right arm chilling. It's alright. Cool. Alright, we're turning on the AC now. We're rolling. Straight to AC. Alright, green light, guys. We're going through Mobe, Sham Sharp Square, guys. Welcome to Jamaican Shore Fishing. Pre-Melissa. I'm going to show you what's going on in the town. This is what's up. This is our place. Roll through. Downtown Mobe, Sham Sharp Square, St. James Street. When I ramp with the thing, guys. Oops, mama. I want to try much up my car. So get the wipers on, guys. Whoop whoop. Taxi man, them are run like a. Oh, I don't know why they're running like that, but everybody's trying to cross. Everybody's trying to go. Look, streets blocked up, guys. Everybody's trying to get all these supplies before the day's out and get done what they're doing. So this is what's up. Look at this idiot. You know that the road is blocked up here and he's still trying to squeeze up. Police is like, move! That's what you should do because you're holding the lanes up. So now I'll go behind the pop-up. So Peace Officer Visibility Patrol is out doing their thing. Montego Bay, guys. This is what's up. So they come out to show the visibility that they're patrolling. Flash your lights, let you know what's going on. Keep it moving, keep road free, keep the access free, everything's free. Downtown St. James Street, Montego Bay, guys, we're rolling through. We're not playing with it. This is Jamaican shore fishing. We keep it real. Every year we do this. We do this for real, guys, no joke. We outside with it. And we're gonna keep it live. We're gonna go live later, if anything, and live tomorrow and keep it live. So I have the everything hooked up at home, so we're not worried about internet and all these things. So we're good like that. You see me? Yeah. Just like that, shore fishing. Yeah, man. Everybody outside, guys. All the ladies are still out in their pum pum shots. In the rain and the wet weather. Now play with the thing outside. Yeah, man. Just like that. Keeping it jiggy outside, guys. Jamaican Shore Fishing. Welcome to the channel. Please like, share, subscribe, and watch ads. We'll take it back on Harbor Street and see what's going on around here. See if we've got any working girls out here working. Are they out in the storm? Are they out and willing to keep you warm in the weather? This is what's up. This is Jamaican Shore Fishing. We're stupid. We shouldn't be doing this stupid shit. Big up yourself, guys. Thank you for joining Jamaican Shore Fishing. We're outside. And we're going back out Irene again in the quietness. Look, yeah. My God. Now listen, you don't know if you make up your mind, you want a strong backers. That you want to come to Jamaica and you get strong backers from Jamaica and Melissa. You want to try that wood way? Come to you. My girl, yeah, show off your belly skin though. Why? You're driving with Jamaican Shore Fishing, guys. We're going through and cutting and going through with the thing and go on ride. My girl! Come on. You didn't see her eyes was blue? One blue to the left and one blue to the right. Ah, damn. My girl, I want you. I mash up my bumper.
Why do you so sitting up back in my eyelash? Batty man.
Yo, my youth, remember say that on YouTube, idiot.
Yeah, eyelash more.
Boy, yeah, boy, eyelash. What do you say? Land swimmers.
The fish button.
Maybe he's gothic. Stop. I'm not even judging nobody. It's not my style, guys. You know that we stay neutral. We did it, man. Mr. Digicel.
And that big fatty there is look at our boy serious. Like he chip boy.
Yeah, chip man, I'ma look it. I'ma look if you cook it. Hold on there. Yeah, man.
Can't go nowhere. You wait, boy. Show your appearance.